So I'm going to just talk on.
All right.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That's a little bit more by Liberty X. Now, in the studio, we have RDC Soldier, and he's returning to the front stage with a new single entitled Ujana, which was recently released, and it deals with the delicate topic of juvenile prostitution in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Now, welcome to the studio. What can I call you? RDC sounds a little bit like, is it a real name?
Yeah, RDC Soldier. That's my name. That's my rap name. So
That's your rap
obviously,
name.
that's my
Okay,
artist
okay,
name.
all
So,
right. Then we'll
so
call.
it's
What
done
does RDC stand for?
the Republic Democratic of the Congo.
Congo, right? Okay. So I'm calling
No,
the
soldier.
identity-
So soldier, like
Okay.
obviously, because that's the let people know like my rap character, you know.
Right.
So I took the RDC Soldier. So I'm kind of like revolutionary. You know, yeah.
Well. It seems like you've got an interesting story to tell about how you come to be here, in terms of the what you're doing now. So, do you want to share some of that with us?
Yes, I'm originally from the Republic Democratic of the Congo. Obviously, you all know Congo is one of the second biggest country in Africa, richest mineral country, the planet resources.
Yep, absolutely.
Yeah, we have so much drama going on, the war and the poverty. So when I came here in 16, my music is going like worldwide, global. So I'm trying to pass positive message across. You know what I mean? Just letting people know the reality about where I'm from and how I can mingle with people from different background. And we are based now in England.
Fantastic. So your main message to people is through singing, which is sounds.
Yes, mainly rapping. I do like rap,
Mhm.
and now just pushing it forward.
Oh, fantastic. So you've got this new single coming out. Tell us about that and what's inspired you to. Do you write your words as well, your lyrics as well?
Yes, I write my own lyrics. Yeah.
So tell us what's inspired that particular song.
Yeah, this one is called Ujana. You know when you have a name that no one else has, and obviously when you have to say, you have to make sure that you got put extra feeling on top of it, so repeat it. So Ujana, I'm talking about obviously this young girl, the Republic Democratic of the Congo, that because of the situation of the war, and they had no choice, but they have to do anything to survive, so they can feed their family. Because of the government corruption, the war situation, women become more vulnerable. It's around the world, like women like they kind of like vulnerable in the same way. Like we can see even here in England, we see a lot of young females. Obviously, the situation about prostitution, about drugs, going through tough time regarding the situation that they're going through. Like we don't know the situation that make them become in that position, especially in the Congo because of the war and the poverty, and they have no choice, but they have to do anything to survive. As we artists, we have to bring the message. So our sisters that they're going through tough time. So that's why this song called Ujana, is basically like these young girls in the Congo, they lost their family to war, poverty, because of corruption, government. So they had no choice, but they have to do anything to survive. As we come from a woman, so I have to make sure that we have to respect our women, we have to kill for our women, so we have to make sure that we protect our women. So that's the message about behind the song. So they have to keep the head up.
Yeah, I mean it's a desperate situation to be in, really. Is there any help out there to help women who find themselves in this situation?
Yeah, the help is like obviously when we send a message, we get organizations, especially in the Congo. Rep is like it's something that Congolese women are facing every day. So that's the reason why we have people like in the UN, they're trying to support like doctors that are sacrificing their time and their energy. Like there's a doctor that was given a trophy in the UN, Dr. Denis Mukwege. He was one of the Congolese doctors that helped a lot of Congolese women during the war and the rape. situation. That's why I've got this new song coming out after Ujana. It's called Mama Congo. I'm talking about the African women, and I'm talking about the women around the world, like, who are going through tough times. So that's what I'm saying. Obviously, it's all about knowing who we are, like being better. You know, 'cause we're made by women. You know what I mean?
Yes, absolutely. And it seems like a good thing to be kind of raising awareness of these issues, because it's only by raising awareness and being aware that actually some action can be taken. I guess that's the underlying message with all of this. So I think it's great. I mean, I listened to the Ujana, the song, and it sounds like a jolly song, but actually there's a very, very serious issue at stake here. And I hope that, I mean, in terms of getting the song out there, how is it being, how can people access it?
Yes, I'm on social media. If you type RDC Soldier on Google, you'll find songs on YouTube, is on Apple Store Music, is on all platforms. The song is on Spotify, Apple Music. There's a video out. It came out last Saturday on YouTube. It's called Ujana, and obviously the lyrics are there as well to make you understand a bit more. The name is very powerful because it's one name. Obviously, they carry the power of a woman. When you see how tough they can go through, like through giving birth and to surviving a situation that can be very tough. Basically, when there's a war in certain place, even in World War I, we see a lot of women. They've been fighting very tough, you know what I mean? So that's the reason why that Ujana stands for, basically. It's young, is in the Swahili nation behind it. Is the mindset is very, tough, like, strong characters.
Yeah. So, RDC Soldier, it's really been great talking to you and to hear that message. I can't help but feeling, okay, we're talking about music here, which is a great medium to send messages and so on. But actually, it's a tough situation. Even your own story is a tough one, and then you bring this tough situation to, I hope that people listen and to your music and hear, the lyrics. And actually, the more people, I think, the more we bring this to the world, the more perhaps help would be at hand. I mean, it's a difficult situation. We'll listen to the music now, Ujana, and you can listen carefully to the words. It's on YouTube. You can listen to it on YouTube or on any other medium, and you can see what the lyrics say as well. So, thank you for bringing that to us.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Mama balingi kakaye bilenga pesa kababo sanutuna ajnaye. Mama balingi kakaye bilenga pesa kababo sanutuna ajnaye. 1, 2 mwana muke